Hello everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In this morning, we will explore the whole rocky landscape of moss and wild green forest. It creates a dreamlike atmosphere while you are walking through the landscape of Lan Hin Thek in Phu Hin Rong Kla National Park. It's around 491 kilometers from Bangkok. Phu Hin Rong Kla National Park is 80 miles from Phitsanulok City, via Highway 12 then 2331. Only your own or rented transportation can help you to visit this place.
ชาวบ้านไม่มีเงินเดือนค่ะเพื่อนมาดูมาไว้เอากุญแจรถมา
ระหว่างทางนี่ร้อนไหม
ไม่ร้อน
หรือ
มาก
ร่มรื่นตลอด
มีเดินเข้าป่าบ้างนะคะมีเดินลานหินบ้างแต่ว่าไม่ได้ร้อนมากค่ะ
ไม่ต้องรอเพราะว่ามันเป็นป่าร้อนนิดหน่อยใช่ไหมเนี่ย
ค่ะ
มันมีมะกุเทศท้องถิ่นนำ
ค่ะให้กลับมาค่านำทางก็แล้วแต่
ขายอะ
ก็รอบนี้จะเป็นที่ค่ะค่ะออกต่อค่ะอันนั้นอีกกลุ่มหนึงก็มัคคุเทศก็พาไปค่ะสุดลงค่ะ
ไป
You can take tour guides from entrance. We paid her 300 baht. She helped us a lot for exploring all the mountains and took our group pictures. The entrance fee is 500 baht per adult and 250 baht per child. Price might be different for Thai citizen and foreigner. Tour guide explained us about Thai history. Let's listen some history from her.
คอมมิวนิสต์คือคนไทยคนในเมืองนะคะหนีเข้ามาหลบอยู่ในป่าพวกพี่เป็นชาวเขาเผ่ามงนะคะคนมงอยู่ในป่าอยู่แล้วเขามาเขาก็มาชวนคนมงให้เป็นคอมมิวนิสต์ด้วยกันคนนี้เป็นหัวหน้าก็จะมีคนมาไหว้ท่านบุญมีเป็นเครื่องเส้นไหว้นะคะทหารจำเนียนเสียชีวิต2506ทหารไทยเอาระเบิดมาทิ้ง
This park covering an area around 10 acres. The rock terrain Lan Hin Thek has many long fissures caused by the shifting of the Earth's crust. Some fissures smaller. Others are so huge that you can even hide a whole truck inside. Such unique rock formations may be caused by deflection or Earth's surface movement. For millions of years, the landscape peacefully stand through erosions. Then, during the 70s, the mountain area of Phu Hin Rong Kla was a stronghold of the Communist Party of Thailand. The fierce battle between Thai soldiers and the communists caused big damages to the forest. Since 1984, the battlefield area was protected as National Park area. Now, after a long recovery, it is home to abundance of flora and fauna, as well as beautiful waterfalls. Chilly weather all year round makes it a place of pleasure. Lan Hin Pum is quite inviting place for relaxing and enjoying the great views of the rocks, comprising hundreds of round and smooth rocks with an average height of 1 foot. The rock terrain offers lovely rock formations surrounded by a scenic landscape. Because of these reasons, it used to be a rest area for the military patient. The rock terrains of Phu Hin Rong Kla National Park in Phitsanulok province offers an exotic atmosphere. Have a look this rocks formation and top view of amazing scenic landscape. Phu Hin Rong Kla, Phu Ki Thao, Phu Phing Ma. The highest peak with 1820 meters, Phu Man Khao and second tallest with 1,664 meters or 5,459 feet. This Phu Hint National Park is a beautiful place to visit, especially during winter time. The best time to visit is from December to January, where the Himalayan cherry pink sakura is at full bloom. It's not crowded as the access is rather inconvenient. The best landscape part of this journey you can find on the way go to Pha Cho Thong Cliff Point. The journey will take about 75 minutes by walk. During lunchtime, there is a small cafe nearby car parking area in the visitor center which serves simple food. You can buy your water or drinks from that cafe. Then head to Lan Hintech. Track about 850 them to see the viewpoint where the earth splits, and you can also find strange-looking nodular rocks. The last stop would be Lan Hin Pum, where you need to hike 1.4 kilometers, and you will find these beautiful weathering rock formation up in the hill. Just sit there waiting for sunset, enjoying the beautiful and quiet surrounding views. Make sure you head back 30 minutes before dark. But today we cannot show you the sunset because we have to go back Bangkok as early as possible. Hopefully, next time we will show you more. Please let us know if you had any experience of exploring in Thailand, National Park, or where you want to visit next. Let others people know your experience about world's most famous national parks or Rocky Mountains. If you like our videos, don't forget to like or share. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, try to be safe yourself and always smile. We got to go now. See you in our next national park camping video. Thanks for staying with us.